Hi guys. Today we have a short story. A simple story about a little fish in the sea. Deep in the blue sea, there is a small silverfish named Luma. She lives near a long coral reef with her family. The water is warm, the light is soft, and the sea is full of color. Every morning, Luma wakes up early and swims around the reef. She looks at the coral, the plants, and the tiny bubbles. She loves her home because it is peaceful. Luma is small, but she is very curious. She always asks questions. She asks her mother about the sea, the waves, and the shadows. Her mother smiles and says, "The sea is big, and every day shows something new." One morning, Luma sees something different. A bright red shell far from the reef. It shines in the water like a little star. She looks back at her home. Nobody notices the shell. So she decides to swim closer. At first, everything is calm. Small fish swim around her. A crab walks on the sand. But then, she sees something strange. The shell is near a dark cave. Cold water comes out of it. Luma feels a little afraid, but also curious. Yesterday, she stayed safe near the reef. But today, she wants an adventure. So she swims inside. The cave is dark and quiet. The water feels cold. She moves slowly. Then she sees something. An old seahorse. The seahorse opens his eyes and says, "You are not from here." Luma says, "My name is Luma. I live near the coral reef." The seahorse says, "My name is Solon. I lived near the reef many years ago." He tells his story. One day, a strong storm came. The water moved fast, and he lost his home. Luma feels sad. She thinks about her family. Then she says, "I can help you." Solon looks surprised. "You are very small," he says. Luma smiles. "Yes, but I know the way home." So they leave the cave together. They swim slowly. The journey is not easy. A strong current pushes them. A shadow passes above them. But Luma does not stop. Finally, they reach the reef. It looks bright and safe. Her family swims toward her. They are worried, but then they see Solon. Luma tells everything about the shell, the cave, and Solon. Her mother smiles. "You did something brave," she says. The fish welcomes Solon. The turtle brings food. The fish help him. That evening, the sea is calm. The light is soft. Luma listens to Solon's stories. He talks about the sea, about adventures, and beautiful places. Luma smiles. "The sea is bigger than I thought," she says. Solon smiles too. "Yes, but kindness is even bigger." After that day, Luma is not afraid anymore. She is still curious, but now she is also brave. And every time she sees a shell, she remembers that day. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new.